for JE Foundation. Lecture 1. Thirds. Right. First question. Root A plus root B divided by root A minus root B plus root A minus root B divided by root A plus root B. This is equal to root A square plus root B square. Second, root A plus root B divided by root A minus root B minus root A minus root B divided by root A plus root B. This is equal to 2 times root AB. Root A plus root B divided by root A minus root B plus root A minus root B divided by root A plus root B is equal to root A square plus root B square, where A and B are positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. Oh, cross multiply. Cross multiply. What we get? This into this and this into this. So this is equal to root A plus root B, the whole square, plus root A minus root B, the whole square, divided by root A minus root B into root A plus root B. This is equal to A plus B plus 2 root AB plus A plus B minus 2 root AB divided by root A minus root B into root A plus root B. That is equal to A minus B. This and this will cancel. So this is equal to 2 times A plus B divided by A minus B. Root 7 plus root 5 divided by root 7 minus root 5 plus root 7 minus root 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5. Now take the LCM. We get root 7 plus root 5, the whole square, plus root 7 minus root 5, the whole square, divided by root 7 minus root 5 into root 7 plus root 5. By expanding, this is equal to A plus B the whole square form. 7 plus 5 plus 2 root 7 into root 5 plus expand this term 7 plus 5 minus 2 root 7 into root 5 divided by A minus B into A plus B form, that is 7 minus 5. So this is equal to this and this get cancelled. 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, that is 24 divided by 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. We get answer is equal to 12. Root A is equal to root 7 and root B is equal to root 5. Now root A square plus root B square, that is equal to root 7 square plus root 5 square is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. The same answer. Root A plus B, root B divided by root A minus root B minus root A minus root B divided by root A plus root B. Taking LCM, we get root A plus root B into root A plus B root B. That is the square minus root A minus root B, the square, divided by root A minus root B into root A plus root B. Expanding this term, this becomes a plus b plus 2 root a into root b minus a plus b minus 2 root a into root b. This divided by a minus b. Here a and a get cancelled, b and b get cancelled. This is equal to 2 root a b, root b into minus of minus, plus that is equal to 4 root a root b divided by a minus b. So that is equal to 4 root ab divided by a minus b. For example, root 7 plus root 5 divided by root 7 minus root 5 minus root 7 minus root 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5. Here that is equal to 4 into root of 7 into 5 divided by 7 minus 5. That is equal to 4 into root 35 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 root 35. This is same as 2 into root a root b. So that is equal to 2 into root 7 into root 5 is equal to 2 root 35. So this expression is equal to 2 into root ab. Both the answers are same. Is finding square root. Square root. Suppose root of a plus 2 into root b. Right. This is equal to root alpha plus root beta, where alpha plus beta is equal to this a and alpha into beta is equal to b. If it is possible to find alpha and beta such that this condition is satisfied, that is alpha plus beta is equal to a and alpha into beta is equal to b, then such that alpha plus beta is equal to a and alpha beta is equal to b, then root of a plus 2, this 2 is important, 2 into root b, that is equal to root alpha plus root beta. Root of a minus 2 root b, here it is minus, then this is equal to root alpha minus root beta, where alpha plus beta is equal to a and alpha beta is equal to b. Example, root 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. Let's find this is a question. By normal method, we can solve root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to root a plus root b. Squaring. This becomes 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to root a plus root b the whole square. That is equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. Now compare RHS and LHS. What do you get? You get a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5. And 2 root 6 is equal to 2 root ab. That means root 6 is equal to root ab. This implies 6 is equal to ab. A plus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 6. From this you get b is equal to 5 minus a, and substitute for b. This becomes a into b is equal to 5 minus a. 5 minus a is equal to 6, or 5a minus a square is equal to 6. This is a quadratic equation. This implies a square minus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0. By factorizing this, a minus 3 into a minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 2. When a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. When a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. So a and b, so roots are, so the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6, that is equal to root a plus root b, that is root 3 plus root 2. This is a normal method or normal procedure. Now by our procedure, what is the answer? Our procedure, the answer is root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to root alpha plus root beta. Now, so we want to find two numbers, alpha and beta. So that 5 is our number. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. So we can choose two numbers, 3 and 2. That is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is alpha and this is beta. The condition is satisfied. So the root is equal to root 3 plus root. Root 5 minus 2 root 6. What is the answer? 5. 5, you can write 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And for 6, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Alpha and beta. So root alpha minus root beta. Here it is minus. So here also this is equal to minus. That is root 3 minus root. This is the solution. Root of 8 minus 2 root 15 is equal to question. Two numbers such that alpha, such that sum is equal to 8. That means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now find two numbers, the product is equal to 15. That is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha and beta. So the square root is root alpha minus root beta. Here it is minus, so this is minus. Now we are taking the largest number first, that is 5. Root 5 minus root 3. Since square root is a positive quantity, so since square root is a positive number, so largest number is taken first and the smallest number is taken second. This is largest and smallest. Consider root of 5 minus 21, root 21. Okay. Now, we don't have 2 here. So, adding 2, multiply and divide by 2. So, here, no 2. So, to make into standard form, multiply and divide by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 into root of 5 minus root 21, this into root 2. Now take root 2 inside this root. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 5 into root 2. That becomes root 10 minus 2 root 21. Right. Now, we want to find the square root of this. Root of 10 minus 2 root 21. So, select two numbers so that the sum is 10 and the product is 21. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. And 7 into 3, that is equal to 21. So, alpha is equal to 7 and beta is equal to 3. So square root of this is equal to this term 1 by root 2 into root alpha, root of 7 minus root of 3. This is our answer. 1 by root 9 minus root 8 plus 1 by root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Next one is 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus root 4 is equal to question. Here is a similarity. This root 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4. What's the difference between 9 and 8? The difference between 9 and 8 is equal to 1. So here the difference between 8 and 7 is equal to 1. The difference between 7 and 6 is equal to 1. 6 and 5, the difference is equal to 1. And 5 and 4, the difference is equal to 1. Or the difference is 1. So there is a similarity in this expression. Now for this, the answer is equal to 1 by root difference into largest number minus smallest. Largest plus smallest. Here it is minus, so we put here it is plus. If it is here it is plus, then here it is minus. So this is equal to, what is the difference? 1 by root 1 into, what is the largest? Here the largest number is root 9. This is the largest. So root 9. Here it is minus. So we plus, here it is plus. And the smallest number is root 4. That is root 4. So 1 by root 1, that is equal to 1 by 1 into root 9, 3 plus root 4, 2. So 5 is the answer. Plus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus root 4 is the question. Here it is plus, 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 and making plus and plus. So again the difference is 1. Each time the difference is 1. Here the difference is 1, difference is 1. So our solution is equal to 1 by root difference. That is 1 by difference. That is equal to root 1. This is the difference into large minus, here it is plus, so here minus, minus small. That is equal to 1 divided by large is root 9. Root 9 minus small is root 4. Root 4. So this is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is our answer. 1 by root 2 plus root 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 4 plus root 3. This continues plus 1 by root 100 plus root 99. Right. There is similarity, root 1, 2, root 2 plus 1. So the difference is equal to 1. Here root 3 plus 2, root 2, the difference is 1. Here also difference 1. Here also difference is equal to 1. So our answer is equal to 1 divided by difference. That is 1 divided by large. Here it is plus. So minus small. That is equal to 1. Large is root 100. That is root 100. And small is 1. 1 is a small. That is root 1. So that is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is the answer. 1 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4 into 5 plus goes on 1 divided by 9 into 10 is equal to question. This expression, this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. This expression 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. This expression 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 and goes on last 1 by 9 into 1 by 10. This all are sum. is our expression. In this expression, 1 by 2 is the largest term. This is equal to 0.5. And smallest term is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. Here there is no roots. So for this answer is equal to 1 by difference, 1 by large minus 1 by small. So difference is equal to 2 and 3, 1, 3 and 4, 1, 4 and 5. This all are 1. 1 by 1 into. What's the largest number? Largest number is 2. This is the largest number. So 1 by 2 minus, and smallest number is this 1 by 10. Factor 1 by 10. So that's equal to 10 minus 1 by 10. So we get 10 minus 2 by 2 into 10. That is equal to 8 by 2 into 10. 4 by 10, that is equal to 2 by 5. So answer is equal to 2 divided by 2 by 5. Question is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 42 plus 1 by 56 plus 1 by 72 plus 1 by 90 plus 1 by 110 plus 1 by 132 is equal to question. Okay, this is our question, right? Now we can write 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Plus 30 is equal to 5 into 6. 42 is equal to 6 into 7. 56 is equal to 7 into 8. 7 plus 8 into 9 plus 9 into 10 plus 10 into 11 plus 11 into 12. So answer is equal to 1. What is the difference here? Difference is 1. Here is 1. Difference between 6 and 7 is 1. 7 and 8 is 1. And all difference is 1. So 1 by difference, that 1 by large minus 1 by small. So that is equal to 1 divided by large. Largest term is this 4. 4 is the largest term and 12 is the smallest term. Smallest 1 by large. What is 1 by large? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. That is equal to 3 minus 1 by 12. 2 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. This answer. Now 4, 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to question. This is a 4-digit number. 4 digit. Here we have 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. And all the digits are 4. So write 4 into 4. That is equal to 16. Put the 6 here. And 1, add 1. Add 1. Alright. Now we have 3 digits. Throw 3 digits. 3 into all these are 4. 3 into 4. That is equal to 12. 12 plus this 1. That is equal to 13. Put 3 here. 1 here plus 1. Now this is 2 digits. So 2 into 4 plus this 1. That is equal to 9. 9 is goes here. 9. Now this is 1 digit. That is 1 into 4. That is equal to nothing to add here. So that is equal to 4. So answer is 4936. Is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. This is the question. So we have 5 digits. Here we have 4 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits, and finally 1 digit. So 5 into 5. That is equal to, here all are 5. So 5 into 5 digits. That is equal to 25. Put 5 here. And 2 is goes to plus 2. This is added up with this term. Now this is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Plus this 2. That is equal to 22. This 2 comes here. 2. And this 2 is added up. Added with the next term. So this is into 5 plus this 2. That is equal to 17. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. This 7 comes here. And this 1 goes here. Now this term, that is 2 into 5 plus this 1. That is equal to 11. This 1 comes here. And this 1 goes here. Now this is equal to 1 into 5 plus this 1. That is equal to 6. This 6 goes here. The answer is 61725. Topics.